Hello guys, welcome back to Gaurav's Art and Craft World. I'm Gaurav and today we'll make another beautiful clay mural painting. At first take a canvas board and make some outlines. Now start your clay work by sticking the clay on the canvas with the help of Fevicol or any other glue. Now I'm going to make a dress with the help of a chakla belan and modeling tools. After completing this, stick it on the canvas. Now in this way make some designs with the help of modeling tools. Now in this way make her face and her crown. Now in this way make some detailings and some designs with the help of modeling tools. Now prepare some drop shape and make her ears and earrings. Now make her hands in this way. Now take a dough of clay and make the face of Mahishasur. After completing his ears, make his horns as well. Now in this way make her jewelries and make some designs with the help of modeling tools. Now I'm going to make a trident with a dry clay stick which I made earlier. Now again take some amount of clay and make the face and the body of the lion. Please check the description box for the list of the materials. Now in this way make some other decorations and let it dry. After completely drying up, start coloring the clay works. Here I'm using Fevicryl acrylic paints, but you can also use any other acrylic paints or oil paints. After coloring the whole canvas, let it dry. After completely drying up, highlight the clay works with metallic colors. So friends, our clay mural painting has completed and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.